Hello! Welcome to LeadMaster. In this tutorial, you will learn how to get data from Salesforce.com into LeadMaster. To begin, you'll need to export the data from Salesforce. Let's take a look. Here's an example of a complete export from Salesforce. As you can see, there are a lot of files here, but that's okay. You just need to understand how the files are related to each other. Let's focus on opportunities, accounts, and contacts. Let's take a closer look. These are the three files that we are going to import into LeadMaster. There is a field in each of these files that shows how they relate to each other. Let's take a look. Here is the account file. You will notice that it has account ID, account name, and type. The original file had quite a few other fields in it, but we have trimmed these out for demonstration purposes. The concept is the same. Each file in the extract has an account ID. This is what shows you how the data relates to each other. Let's take a look at the contacts. Notice that the first column in the contacts file also has account ID. We'll use this to match the contacts with the right company. Conceptually, it looks like this. For each account, we can have one or more contacts, one or more opportunities, and one or more sets of comments. We'll start by loading the accounts. Then we'll use the account ID to show which contacts belong with which accounts. Then we'll do the same thing for opportunities. To begin, we have deleted all of the demonstration data from LeadMaster and re-entered a single record. We have done this so that the system can easily be customized to add a Salesforce account ID field. To do this, go to Customize Pages, Sales Update Page, and we have used Address 3 and changed it to the Salesforce account ID. For every file we bring into the system, we will use the Salesforce account ID to match the accounts, the contacts, the opportunities, and the comments. We will start by importing the accounts. Since there is a separate tutorial on importing accounts, we'll go through this part very quickly. Now it is time to match up the fields in the spreadsheet with the fields in the system. The first field we have chosen is the Salesforce account ID and matched it to the Salesforce account ID in the system. With the fields all matched up, it is time to proceed. The first step is complete. The account records have been loaded, and there are no errors. Let's take a look. Here are the accounts. Take a look at one of the records, and you will notice that in Address 3, there is a reference number. This is the account ID that you are going to use to match the contacts and the opportunities. Let's bring in the contacts. Rather than import, we will update or append these records. Select the file. Notice that the account ID is a Salesforce account ID. Now simply match up the rest of the fields. With the fields all matched, we can proceed to the next step. This is how the update records differs from the import. Here we can specify how the contacts relate to the existing data. It's through the account ID. Back at our list of accounts, you will see that we now have contacts listed here. For some accounts, we have none. And for others, we have multiple. Now let's add opportunities. Start by selecting the Opportunities file, and notice again we have an account ID on the opportunity. We aren't going to use that just yet. Match up all the opportunity fields. Select Next, and now you will match the account ID fields. Click Next, and you are ready to import opportunities. Let's take a look at the AB group. You will see that all of the data is in there for the address. Greg is our contact. He's a customer. And we have one opportunity for him. To import comments, use the same methodology. This concludes the tutorial on getting Salesforce data into LeadMaster. Thanks for watching.